Hi everyone, I'm Fiona. In today's video, we will invite Engineer Zuo to explain you guys how to add the hydraulic oil to the hydraulic station of EPS shaping molding machine. There is a filter at the entrance of the hydraulic station. Before refilling, you need to make sure it is not broken and not get clogged with other things. The hydraulic oil lever is on the side. When adding hydraulic oil, pay attention not to exceed the highest level. Depending on the temperature in winter and summer, different hydraulic fluids are selected. Generally speaking, number 48 hydraulic fluid are used in the summer and number 32 used in the winter. Two of the most famous brands of hydraulic oil in China are Great Wall and Shell. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next video.